It was not the physical sun they saw with physical eyes, no. But the spirit in the sun that they beheld. And that spirit in the sun is the Christ, the spiritual savior of humanity. Just as the physical sun is our physical savior. This is the star that shone on that holy night. And that still shines for the true Christian in the darkness of night. If you are a true Christian, you have your spiritual eyes open, you see that star every time. Daylight or nighttime, it is always there to guide you. Let us do a bit of astronomy. The physical solar energy, when the sun moves in its orbit, that energy, that physical movement, reaches its highest expression in midsummer, let's say June going, when the days are longest and the nights are shortest. Because the rays of the sun then fall directly on the northern hemisphere. At that time, the spiritual forces are the most inactive. On the other hand, in December, just as we are now, during the long winter nights, the physical force of the sun is dormant, and the spiritual forces reach their maximum degree of activity. So, there is an inverse relationship between the spiritual and physical forces of the sun. The higher the physical force in an area, the lower the spiritual force, and vice versa. Let us look at this diagram, where we have the plane of the Earth's equator and the movement of the sun, where we have the sun once above the northern hemisphere and at another time below the northern hemisphere. You can say that March 21st to September 21st, these are areas of high physical sun forces. But between September down through December to March, there are areas where the spiritual forces of the sun are highest. Okay. Let us do also a bit of astrology.
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all this.